How to fix Pinterest not working. So if your Pinterest is not working, then first you need to open up your Play Store application and check your internet connection. So if you don't have a stable internet connection, then you might face this kind of problems. So you can simply switch to your mobile data if you're using your Wi-Fi, or if you're using your mobile data, then you can switch to your Wi-Fi. And after switching that, or you can also turn that off for a while and then again turn it on. And once you've done that, you can go for the search bar and search for Pinterest, and here you will have your application. So instead of this open button, if you have an update button, simply tap on update and update your application. And once you update, if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you can remove that, and then you can open up your settings on your device and scroll down, go for apps, and under your apps here you can go for see all apps and go for the search icon which is on the upper right and search for Pinterest. And once you search for Pinterest, or once you open your Pinterest application in your settings, you can go for storage and cache and then go for clear cache. And once you tap on clear cache, now your problems might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, simply tap and hold on to your power button and then restart your device. And once you restart your device, your problem will be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then here you can go back, and here you will have uninstall option. Simply tap on uninstall and tap on OK. And once you uninstall your application, you need to again install the application from your Play Store or your App Store, and then your problem will be fixed. That's it. That's how you fix your Pinterest not working problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.